Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me. Without wasting any more time, let's just get right into it. So I'm gonna start off with my Maybelline Master Prime Pore Minimizing Primer.
Don't you know? Don't you know?
Next, I'm gonna take my Loreal Perfect Match Foundation.
Don't you know?
This is in the shade 8N Cappuccino.
Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know?
So now I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna be using my Primark eyebrow pencil.
Yes, I did.
So I'm gonna fill in my brows and brush them through. I'm gonna use my LA concealer to clean up my eyebrows. I have a detailed eyebrow tutorial video. Please feel free to check it out. I will link it up in the description box.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools. Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? And you a fool's gold.
I'm gonna apply my LA Pro Concealer on my lids. This is going to give me a nice base for my shadow to stick.
Yes, I did.
I'm gonna set my eyes with my Sascha Buttercup powder. For my eyes, I'm gonna be using my Morphe 3502 palette. I forgot to show you which colors I'm gonna be using. Anyway, first I'm gonna go in with the color Rich. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Brunette. And I'm gonna take the shade Whiz and apply it on my crease.
I'm feeling so high low.
Then I'm gonna blend that out.
Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in.
Then I'm gonna apply my NYX glitter primer to do a cut and crease.
Don't you know? Don't you know?
Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Rustic.
Gold, I fell for fools. Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools.
Then I'm gonna go in again with the shade Whiz and apply it on my outer corners.
Did I know? What did I know? And you a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love.
I'm gonna use my L'Oreal gel eyeliner to do a nice wing.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I?
And now it's time to highlight. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution concealer in shade C12. I love this concealer so much, and it is really affordable.
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Then I'm gonna apply my LA Girl Pro Conceal Yellow Corrector on top because I want that yellowish look. I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Mesh Sticks in color Espresso to contour, and I'm gonna use my beauty blender to blend it all out.
I'm feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know?
Next, I'm gonna use my Sascha Buttercup setting powder to set. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit and then brush it off. Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless powder.
You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
I'm gonna use a black eyeshadow to do a graded under my eyes. Then I'm gonna use my sleek highlighter. Yes, girl, blind them.
Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them.
Then I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline blush palette.
I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know?
I'm gonna set all this using my NYX setting spray. For my lips, I'm gonna be using P2 Cosmetics lip liner in color Aubergine.
Yes, I did.
Lipstick I'm gonna be using is called Private Members Club for Makeup Revolution. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Until next time, mwah.